Hey everybody. Hello everybody. Hey everybody. It's Brock. This is Brock. And we got a new episode with another episode of All About. What's up everybody? It's Brock and we got a brand new episode of All About today. Today we're going to be learning about a very pretty fish called the Splendid Dottyback or the Splendid Pseudochromis. Prices on these guys are like $30, nothing crazy. Tank size, you'll need a 30 gallon. Care level, super easy. Temper, he can be semi-aggressive mainly because he becomes territorial after he's been in a tank for so long. Reef Compatible, yes, he's a great reef fish to have. Temperature 72-78, DKH 8 to 12, pH 8.1 to 8.4, and your salinity 1.020 to 1.025. Diet, they are carnivore. Make sure you're feeding them a varied little diet like pellets, flakes, frozen cubes like mysis and brown shrimp. They love them. Very aggressive eater, especially whenever it gets around his cave. Colors is that nice yellow head and tail with the blue and white little design running down them. It's a very pretty fish. It'll definitely catch some people's eye. Origin, they do come from Indo-Pacific, but recently it's gotten very popular to start buying the captive bred ones because they do just as fine. So that's a good thing that we have accomplished. So this guy's personality reminds me of a royal grama. He's not always out swimming about like crazy showing off. He kind of finds his spot, his cave, and hangs out there and stays on the lookout for anybody that gets around it, and he will go charge them if they do get close, so watch out for that. Compatibility, I've never paired one up. I wouldn't do that. I'd put one in his own tank. If you do get this guy, I wouldn't really put him with any other kind of Pseudochromis because they might fight over territorial, and that wouldn't be good. But he's a really basic fish to get, great beginner fish to have if you're looking for something that's easy and maybe you don't have the biggest tank in the world, and he's pretty cheap too. So get a really pretty fish, and he's super easy to take care of. Hope y'all have a good day. If y'all did like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Check out my other episodes and just stay tuned because I'm popping these out like crazy.